Your Facebook group cover is the very first thing new members will see when they click over to learn more about your group. Does it communicate with clarity, cohesion, and class what your group is all about, who you serve, the kind of connections that your group will offer, and also the value that they will get from joining this Facebook group? Making a good first impression right from the start, when members are still excited to get inside of the group and participating in the group, is crucial to connecting to your ideal clients online and converting them to subscribers on your email list. In this training, I'm going to go over 3 easy things to keep in mind as you're creating your Facebook group banner. Step number 1 is to write your copy first. In a previous post, How Facebook Groups Can Seriously Change Your Business, I talk about the importance of being really clear about the purpose of your group and how it will benefit both you and members of your group. It's really important to be clear on who your group is for and what members can expect to learn. What I recommend that you do is to open up a Google Doc and to get clear on your copy first before heading into Canva. Step number 2 is to use the right dimensions. This can seem like the hardest part. If you don't use the right dimensions, your graphic can look blurry, stretched, cut off your head, or important copy. As of January 2018, Facebook recommends that the Facebook group dimensions is 1640 by 856 pixels. And even though it's cropped differently on different devices from desktop, tablets to phones, this is the dimension that will work for most devices. What I recommend you do is to head to Facebook's help page and download the suggested template that they give you. To do that, you'll follow the link below this video, right-click, hit Save Image As, and save it to your desktop. Step number 3 is to create your design in Canva. I'm going to share 4 easy tips to do just that. Select the custom dimensions and create a 1640 by 856 pixel design. Then import the template that you downloaded from Facebook's page. You want to design around the gray areas and make sure not to put any important information in these areas. I like to stretch them out almost towards the end and then to bump down the transparency so I can design over it. Next, you want to place your copy on the left-hand side and use your brand elements to get just the right balance. Then add an image of you towards the right-hand side. We need to see the host of this awesome group. Ideally, you want to use an image of you looking directly at the camera. Now, not all of us have beautiful horizontal graphics that we can use, so I want to show 2 other ways that you can work around this if you do not have a horizontal graphic. The first is to head to Elements, Grids, and to select the very first option. Then shape it into a square or a rectangle, depending on your preference. Send that image back so that your text always pops forward. Then add a vertical image of you. Space your image towards the center to avoid cropping at the top. Finally, compare it to the Facebook template to make sure that you're staying within the recommended size dimensions. The second option is to use a circle. So you'll go to Elements, Shapes, and either look for a circle or type circle in the search box. Scroll down until you can see the ones where you can add in your own image. Resize it towards the center and then add your image. Resize and personalize your image as needed. That's it. Now you are done. All you have to do is make sure that you're using your template, that you're designing towards the center, that your copy is clear. Then you can download, save your image, and update it in your group. To update your cover, what you'll do is go Change Group Photo, Upload Photo, select your graphic, and you'll see that with the right dimensions, you don't have to move or drag this image around. Now I'd like to hear from you in the comment section below. What other questions do you have regarding creating graphics for your Facebook groups?